The program is from Igor Kheifets. He is the world's highest paid email marketer. Igor specializes in helping average people break the link between their time and their income. He's the founder of Igor Solo Ads, the world's #1 email traffic agency, which has helped thousands of people build a wildly profitable email list without any previous experience. Igor is the third highest earning super affiliate in the internet marketing niche. His 301K challenge $0 to $1,000 with affiliate marketing in 30 days tells you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing. It guides you step by step to the goal of $1,000. It is a paint-by-numbers follow-along quick start training program for beginners. You should start here if you often find yourself thinking, "There's no way I can do this. This is too complicated." Whenever you're going through courses, he created this do that 30-day challenge to kickstart your online business without forcing you to get a PhD in internet marketing or spending thousands of dollars on private mentoring programs. Just follow the system. This is the login page for the 301K challenge. Here is the menu you see once you get into the course. The uppermost menu consists of Help Center and Contact Support option. The training consists of 33 sections. Day 1, How I Make Money on the Internet. Day 2, Set up personal domain name. Day 3, Set up professional email address. Day 4, Find high converting offers, JVZoo affiliate marketplace. Day 5, Find high converting offers, ClickBank affiliate marketplace. Day 6, Find high converting offers, Warrior Plus affiliate marketplace. Day 7, Set up click tracking. Day 8, Set up email autoresponder with 30-day free trial. Day 9, Set up beginner-friendly landing page software. Day 10, How to ethically borrow content for your affiliate presale site. Day 11, How to create affiliate presale page, bridge page, and more. It goes from Day 1, How I Make Money on the Internet, to Day 33, What to do next. You can complete the course in less than 33 days, but there are tasks to complete with each section. Igor Kheifets broke up the course so that you don't get overwhelmed when you are taking it. If you do one section per day, then you should be able to assimilate all of the information in that day's section. Again, the hope is that you will know how to earn at least $1,000 by day 33. Each section has multiple videos in small enough portions for you to be able to master the material. For example, day 19, How to drive traffic to build your affiliate marketing business. It has these subsections. 4 traffic mistakes that cost me thousands. Power of the list and free versus paid traffic. There are additional resources for each section as well. You get everything you need to successfully execute the task for your own affiliate business. It takes you from getting leads and building your list to emailing and making consistent earnings. The 301K challenge is overall very detailed. In the end, you will have built a concrete launchpad for your affiliate business. You will have already started building your email list and started mailing your list. Finally, you will be ready to follow the rules to scale your income.